Listen to the sounds of Batuu, the planet at the edge of the galaxy. It's a beautiful music. Love the melody. It makes you know that you are in a different place, a different planet. You can hear the Hillary bird, the star mark bird. Listen to that. Beyond this forest, there's a rancor, and sometimes you can hear it. They use it as a guard dog in the Banta farm. Look at the beautiful plants of Batuu. Next time you come to Galaxy's Edge, take the path, the forest path, and enjoy the music and the sounds of Batuu. And when you meet local villagers, make sure to say bright suns during the day or rising moons during the night. When you're ready to leave, make sure you say till the Spire or may the spires keep you. Another good greeting, may the force be with you always. Well, thank you for watching and thank you for listening. May the spires keep you always.